Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to see your Roblox password on mobile. Let's get started. First, Roblox doesn't show your password inside the app, so you'll need to check your device's password manager. On iPhone, open the password app or go to Settings, Password, and Authenticate, then search Roblox. Then tap Saved Login, and you can reveal or copy your password. On Android, open the settings and search password in Password Manager. Look for your saved Roblox, log in and reveal the password. If it's not saved on your device, check your Google account Password Manager. Open your browser and go to google.com, and after that, tap your profile, then manage your Google account and search Password Manager. Find Roblox, then tap to reveal the password. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.